Eqasha, a figure of nobility and justice, stands on the balcony of his palace overlooking the thriving city below. His heart swells with pride as he observes the harmony achieved under his rule. The streets buzz with life, merchants calling out their wares, and children playing joyously. Yet a shadow of worry flits across his face as he recalls the ominous rumors from beyond the mountains. The once vibrant kingdom shudders under the grip of an unnatural curse. Sultan Eqasha gathers his scholars in the grand hall, their faces illuminated by flickering candlelight.
"We must turn to the divine for guidance and protection,"
he declares, his voice resolute. Together, they recite sacred verses, their voices rising in a powerful chorus, seeking mercy and deliverance. In his dream, the voice instructs him to seek the well of purity in the Valley of Jinn, a place shrouded in mystery and legend. Awaking with renewed purpose, Sultan Eqasha summons his bravest warriors.
"We embark at dawn,"
he announces, determination etched in his eyes as his warriors nod in solemn agreement. The warriors march in silence, their breaths misting in the chill night air. As they descend into the valley, the atmosphere grows eerie, filled with disembodied voices and mocking laughter. A young warrior, Tariq, grips his sword tightly, his heart pounding with both fear and courage. "We are not alone," he whispers to his comrades. Sultan Eqasha stands firm as the creature lunges, claws gleaming in the dim light. With unwavering faith, he recites Ayat-ul-Kursi, his voice cutting through the chaos like a beacon. The jinn recoils, its form consumed by an inferno of divine light, leaving nothing but ashes scattered in the wind. Returning triumphantly, Sultan Eqasha sprinkles the water across his kingdom, restoring peace and prosperity. The dark mist dissipates and hope blooms anew. Furious at his failure, King Ezra's final spell turns upon him, leaving his palace in ruins and his reign of terror extinguished. Sultan Eqasha's legacy endures, his name celebrated as a symbol of unwavering faith and the triumph of light over darkness.